Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to brief about the topic which is very important topic for the beginner of the science student, which is trick to identify primary, secondary and tertiary carbon. But how to identify that this carbon is 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree carbon. So let's start. Firstly, to decide whether it is a 1 degree, 2 degree or 3D carbon, firstly we have to decide it is decided on the basis of alpha carbon. And what is alpha carbon? Alpha carbon is that carbon on which functional group is directly attached. For example, if we take the example of this, in this functional group is chlorine. So, in this case, this is chlorine is the functional group. So, the alpha carbon is this one. This is known as alpha carbon. This is functional group. In this case, functional group is chlorine. And this carbon is known as alpha carbon. So, alpha carbon is that carbon on which functional group is directly attached. So, this is alpha carbon. Similarly, in this case, this is functional group. This is alpha carbon. This is functional group and this is alpha carbon. Now, how to identify which carbon is 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree carbon? To that, we have to decide that alpha carbon attached to, in this case, for example, in this case, alpha carbon attached to only one carbon chain. This is alkyl group. So, this means alkyl group means carbon. So, this alpha carbon attached to only one alkyl chain, so it is known as 1 degree. When it attached to only one carbon chain, then it is known as 1 degree. In this case, this carbon attached to two carbon chain, so it is 2 degree. In this case, functional group is this one, this is alpha carbon and this carbon attached to 3 carbon chain, 1, 2 and 3. So, this carbon is 3 degree carbon. Okay. On the basis of the alpha carbon which attached to one carbon, then it is known as 1 degree. If attached to 2 carbon, then it is known as 2 degree. And if it attached to 3 carbon, then it is known as 3 degree carbon. Or another method to identify whether it is alpha carbon, alpha carbon attached is 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree. For this, if alpha carbon contains CH2 group. If alpha carbon contains CH2 group, then it is known as 1 degree. If alpha carbon contains CH, then it is known as 2 degree. If alpha carbon contains C, then it is 3 degree. For example, in this case, if we write this A, this one B and this one C. In case A, alpha carbon is this one and it is CH2 group. So, it is 1 degree. This is CH group. So, it is known as 2 degree. This is only C. So, it is 3 degree. These two methods can be used to identify 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree carbon. Taking another example, for example, this one. In this case, this carbon is alpha carbon and it is attached to 1, 2, 3 alkyl group. So, this carbon is 3 degree. Okay. This is a functional group. So, this carbon is alpha carbon. And this carbon attached to 2 carbon chains. So, it is 2 degree. Okay. From this, I am giving you a question whether this compound is 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree. If it is clear to you, you have to do this question by yourself. This is the question. Identify alpha carbon is 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree carbon. If you understand this, then please comment your answer in the comment section. And for any query, please comment me. I will solve this. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.